Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening your project on the Edit page so you can act immediately. Once done, set the timeline to display gaps and enable snapping. This helps you see empty space and align clips precisely. Make sure ripple is off unless you want automatic shifts. Zoom in on the edit point to work frame accurately. Zooming reduces accidental trims. You're preparing the canvas so the next steps remove gaps without moving other clips unintentionally. Now you remove the space. Click the empty gap with the selection tool. If the gap is between clips, place the playhead or use the trim edit mode for frame-accurate control. Press delete to remove a standalone gap or right-click and choose ripple delete to close the gap and shift downstream clips left. Make sure snapping is on so clips snap together cleanly. If multiple gaps exist, drag select them or use the timeline menu's close gaps command to batch fix quickly. Finish by playing through the affected section to confirm audio stays in sync and transitions remain smooth. You'll catch dropped frames or awkward cuts this way. If timing needs fine-tuning, use cut or ripple trim tools to nudge clips by frames. If a gap won't close, check for locked tracks, hidden compound clips, or disabled tracks. Those often block ripple actions. One key troubleshooting tip: unlock all tracks and reveal disabled clips. Then repeat the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.